Bring from my house this. Oh, it was in my storage though. I don't need it anymore. I used to have products in my garage to organize. This is the plastic step shelf for condiments or whatever you need. So because it's old, it's clean already, but it's old, because I put products. I have this paper. It will be washable. I got a piece. I'm gonna wrap with this paper, and it's gonna look wonderful. Okay, so how it looks now? Awesome, beautiful. It matches the color of the cabinet. So Edward is wiping each vitamins, and he's gonna reorganize this area. In the meantime, we continue organizing the desk. We already make some space in this area, and we put the two metal filing cabinets in this corner. We're going to start bringing some boxes in this area. It looks so much organized, and she can see all her medicine is organized by color. So I love it. Corner of the kitchen, and it's all the vitamins looks amazing here, and the actual medicine in this rack. Really good job.